The food started a couple years ago, a long time ago. It pretty much resulted from childhood trauma, being in foster care. So that's pretty much where all the food trauma comes from.
So when I first met Emily, we completed an initial assessment. I wanted to find out about herself, so just her as a person, as well as everything about her nutrition, her weight, her blood tests, her bowel health, and just how she finds eating new foods, how she feels towards it.
Basically, it just, from moving from home to home constantly, with no routine, no food routine, that's been very difficult throughout life. Basically a constant anxiety for me, and it was more of a luxury. If you have it, you have it. It was never a priority. It was just there. If it was given to you, you've got it.
So I like to use more of a non-judgmental approach in accepting whatever likes and dislikes that Emily has, as well as foods that she is unable to tolerate. So just working around that and giving lots of different ideas. And gradually Emily opened up herself to trying new foods and making new foods at home.
I now make all my stuff from homemade. So I make homemade tomato sauce out of just tomatoes. Also make my own desserts from avocado and cocoa powder and water, and that turns into ice cream. So I make all my homemade foods at home. I felt very helpful seeing Isabel talking about my feelings towards food, my life trauma towards food, and also seeing a therapist and talking about that on top of everything else. So that really helps. It gives a lot of anxiety to talk about it, but it actually relieves and helps you. I have now basically have more bowel movements, more energy, not sleeping all day, going out, going for walks. During the day I'm always out and about doing something, doing dancing, and so a bit more physical than before.